Jai Shri Krishna. Today I am going to conduct a special meditation module to protect you from the negativity. Generally, what happens when you go or visit the public places, sometimes you come across to the people who are full of negativity. And in such type of circumstances or the problem, you catch the negativity because your all the chakras are open. Now today I am going to teach you through the meditation how to close your chakras so that you are not supposed to catch the negativity from the negative people or from the negative places. So this is very important for your health purpose. So now you can select your place for meditation so that you should not be disturbed for at least 15 minutes or 14 minutes. Now you can close your eyes. Take deep breaths 3 times. Now focus on your root chakra horizontally just below the tailbone, rotating on its axis. Make the grounding cord from this chakra, taking down a hollow pipe-shaped cord to the center of the earth so as to stabilize your energy. Chant your name 3 times, visualizing the name going down in a spiral form to the center of the earth. Now again, take 3 deep breaths. Focus on the root chakra again. This is also known as Muladhara chakra. Now contract the organs connected to the chakra and relax. Do this process 3 times. Visualize this chakra rotating on its axis. And gradually shrinking or reducing, and eventually it is reduced to the size of a small point. Now focus on the hara or the Swadhisthana chakra just below the navel. This chakra vertically rotating on its axis. Now contract the lower belly 3 times and relax. Visualize this chakra rotating and gradually reducing to a small point. Now focus on solar plexus or the Manipur chakra vertically rotating on its axis. Contract and relax the stomach 3 times. Visualize the chakra rotating and reducing gradually to a size of a small point. Now focus on the heart chakra or the Anahat chakra, rotating vertically on its axis. Relax your lungs, taking deep breaths. Visualize your chakra reducing to the size of a small point. Now focus on the throat chakra or the Vishuddhi chakra, rotating vertically on its axis. Do an action like swallowing or something taking down in the throat 3 times. Taking deep breaths and feel the chakra rotating and reducing to the small point. Focus on the third eye, rotating vertically. And visualize the chakra as if an third eye being closed gradually. And relax your head. Now focus on your crown chakra. The crown chakra horizontally rotating on its axis. This chakra should be kept open to receive the divine energy from the heaven constantly. This is never closed. So put on your one hand on the head, slightly press. With an intention to let it be open to receive the divine blessings always. The spleen chakra on the left side of the stomach. Comparatively, this is small in size, rotating on its axis vertically. Is very important chakra for your health, so it should be balanced properly. Visualize it rotating on its axis. It is now reducing in a small size point. Again focus on the crown chakra that is rotating on its axis. like a full bloom lotus receiving the white light in the form of a pillar of light from the heaven. The white light is spreading down from the body up to the feet soles. Now visualize the two chakras on each palm of your hand. Feel the chakras rotating on its axis. And visualize them closing and reducing a small point. Now close the palms as the fist and open them 3 times. Focus on the chakras on each sole of the feet. Just move your soles slightly from one direction to the other and press the soles with your hands 3 times. Visualize the chakras rotating on its sole. And feel them reducing to a small point. Slowly and gradually relax your body. Whenever you want to open your chakras, you can follow the meditation of chakra balancing in my videos. Relax your body. Now you can open your eyes. You can relax. You may give the comments in the comment box regarding your reaction. And don't forget to subscribe this video so that you may have the information of all the videos I'm going to make for you. Thank you.